Hi, my name is Jacob Leakeyes, and this is my group's demo for Project 1. So here I'm going to open up two instances of the FTP client, and then I'm going to open up one instance of the server here to connect to. And just to show you here, I've set up two different directories, one for the client and one for the server. And I'm just going to use these two directories to show the transfer of our text files here between our client and the server. And so first I'm going to demonstrate that multiple clients can connect to the server. So I'm going to go ahead and connect client 1 here. And in my arguments for the server here, I launched it with the argument 1200, basically defining port 1200 as the port that we're using here. And so that's why I'm using 1200 here in the connect command. So here we're gonna connect 127. Alright, and if we go over here to our server dialog here, we can see that we have two users connected. And so as you can see here in the server directory, I have three text files: text file A, text file B, and text file C. And so from the client, if we want the server to list out, what files the server has, we can go ahead and type our list command here, and as you can see, it's demonstrating that we have files A, B, and C. Alright, and so as you saw from our client directory, the client has file d.txt, while the server has files A, B, and C. And so we're going to go ahead and try and retrieve one of those files. We're going to start with a.txt. And it says that the file was successfully retrieved. And if we go ahead here and check our client directory, we will see that indeed we have a file a.txt here. And as you can see, the contents are the same in both the client side and the server side versions of the a.txt file. So in our next demonstration here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use our store command, d.txt, from the client directory to the server directory. And as you see file uploading to server, please wait, uploading file done. And if we go ahead and we open up our client directories, we see we have d.txt here, and we do indeed now have d.txt in the server directory. Now, you might be wondering, what happens if we try to download the same file twice? So like if we were to try and retrieve a.txt, we actually have the client check to make sure if that file already exists, and if it does, we do not overwrite that file. And then we do a similar procedure here if we try to store d.txt, you can see file is already on server. And so these files were not overwritten. Alright. And so now if we want to go ahead and we just want to confirm, we already kind of did confirm in our server directory here that D exists, but just for the sake of argument, let's go ahead and use our list command once again, and as you can see, we have the files A, B, C, and D. Alright. Now, let's say that we want to close this connection, and we do that using our close command here. It'll say you have disconnected. And if we go over to our server here, it'll say that our one user has disconnected. So now going to our second FTP client, let's go ahead and let's delete D from the server directory here. And just to confirm, we'll just do that. We now have files A, B, and C. And let's just go ahead and demonstrate that we can store d.txt again. And basically what I'm trying to demonstrate here is that our first client disconnecting does not interrupt the service to our other clients here. So this server is indeed capable of managing multiple clients at once. And we can show that again by maybe adding another client, FTP client, doot. So let's reconnect this guy, connect 127.0.0.1, and we'll go port 1200, and we are connected. And as you can see, we now have a user connected as well, and we can disconnect from this this client, and we still can list, do whatever on this client. Oops, sorry, I had a typo there, and you can see that we do indeed have our files, and so we can still interact with the server, even though clients have been coming and going. Alright, so thank you for watching my video. This has been my group's demonstration on our Project 1 capabilities here. I hope you enjoyed.